never had flies, mosquitoes, or cockroaches again. Before I discovered this, I always had problems with unwanted insects in my home. But with these ingredients you have at home, you can make this incredible mixture that will eliminate your problems. Let's start by adding 2 cups of water into a pan. We will also add cloves. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons. Let's let it boil well and mix in the meantime. This will ensure that all the essence and nutrients remain in the water, thus enhancing our mixture. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Add it little by little so as not to make too much foam. We will continue mixing until it dissolves. Tell me from which city or country you are watching this video, so I can send you a hug in the next video. I'm sure if you've never made a mixture with these ingredients, it will solve all your problems related to unwanted insects. Here where I live, there are a lot of insects, and whenever I have visitors at my house, they ask me what I use to avoid insects at home. After this time, we will put the entire mixture into a spray bottle. This way we can only use the amount we need. I'm going to use a funnel to help put it into the bottle. The amount I'm making lasts for up to 1 month, and depending on your use it can last up to 2 months. Lastly, I will add some bay leaves. This will help to scare away any insects from the area where you apply this mixture. I will add enough until the rest of the bottle is filled. And you can also apply it to your skin, since we are only using natural ingredients. Here in my house we use this mixture almost every day, as insects tend to appear here. Now it's ready to use. Let's just close the bottle again, and shake it a little before using. Now just use it on any surface that insects pass by. It's very simple to use, just apply it where you want, and the insects will disappear from that area. This mixture will not irritate the skin or harm any dogs and cats you have at home. I hope you liked this tip. I'm sure you will love it too. See you in the next video.